Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to play Candy Crush Saga on your mobile phone with friends. This is a very simple thing to do guys and to get started, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. So yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and download the mobile game to your phone by going to the Play Store or the App Store depending on what kind of phone you have. Go ahead guys and open up the App Store, and at the top of the page we want to go ahead and search for Candy Crush. So guys, go ahead and search for Candy Crush, and in the results you can see here is the Candy Crush Saga game. You can go ahead and open it up, and now we want to go ahead and click on the install button that is going to go ahead and appear right here. So guys, go ahead and click on install, and after clicking on install you will be able to find your game downloaded on your mobile phone, as you can see right here. So now we want to go ahead guys and open up the game, and after opening up the game guys, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can go ahead and either log into your account or just start playing. So guys, go ahead and log into your Facebook account or create a new account if you do not have one already, and after that go ahead and click on the play button. And after clicking on the play button, you will be greeted by this main page, which is the home page of the game, where you can see all of your levels progressed, you can see the map to play, you can see all the events, the shops, and so on. So to be able to play with your friends, what you have to do is to go ahead and click your profile picture at the top of the screen. So as you can see, here is my profile picture at the top of the screen. Go ahead, click on that, and after clicking on that guys, it's going to go ahead and open up this new menu where you have two sections called me and friends, and you want to go ahead guys and open friends, and then click the add more friends button that will appear right here. As you can see, click add friends guys, and now you can get started with adding all of your friends that you want to play with. Add those friends guys, and then you will be able to play with them together. So yeah, basically that is it, how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.